Here see these problems. A, B, C, F are sets. Fill in the blanks with subset or not subset. Let us see first one. First one, A subset or not subset. All the elements of A are not in B. So A not subset to B. Second one, C. All the elements of C are not in A. C not subset to A. All the elements in B are in A. So B subset to A. Fourth one, all the elements in A are in C. A subset to C. Fifth one, B subset to C. Sixth one, pi. Pi subset to B. Empty set is subset to every set. Second one, state the following star true or first one is true. That is the both are empty set symbols. Second one is false. First one empty set symbol 0 not equal. First one, A set. A is the set of quadrilaterals. B is square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus. So which is true? B subset to A. Because all the elements in the B are elements in the A, but all the elements in A are not in B. For example, if you take parallelogram is not in B. Second one, A is a set A, B, C, D, 4 elements. How many subsets does set A have? So it has a form. If a set contains n elements, then the number of subsets of A are 2 power n. Here A contains 4 elements, so number of subsets of A are 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 is 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, this is the formula. P is the set of factors of 5. 1 comma 5 are factors of 5. Q is the set of factors of 25. 25 factors are 1, 5, 25. R is the set of factors of 125. 125 factors are 1, 5, 25. Okay. So let us see which one is false. P subset to Q is right. All the elements of P are in Q. Q subset R is also right. All the elements of Q in R. But all the elements of R in not in P. So R subset to P is wrong. P subset to R is also right. All the elements of P are in R. 1 comma 5 are also in R. Okay. Fourth one is for you. You have to do. Try this. Must be done by students. Do first one. Already we discuss. Which are empty sets. Second one. Let us say which are finite or which are infinite. First one A. A is the set. X is an element. X is a natural number less than 100. So we can count less than 100 natural numbers or 100 numbers are there. A 1 to 99 elements are there. Those are finite, countable. So A is a finite set. B is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is also finite set. C is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on. So that is infinite set. Do the fourth one and fifth one. Those two are homework. Tick which are infinite. C is set of integers less than 10. All the negative numbers and 0 up to 10 are infinite. State which of the following sets are empty sets. First one, the set of all lines passing through a given point. Take one point, draw lines passing through that point. We can draw many more lines. So first one is not empty set. We can draw many more lines passes through given single point. So first one is not empty set. Second one, the set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. If you take any odd number that is not divisible by 2. So already we discussed. So it is an empty set. Third one, x is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 5. If you take any number that should be less than 5 and greater than 5. So there is no number less than 5 and greater than 7. If you take 4, 4 is less than 5 but not greater than 7. So it is an empty set. Fourth one, x is a common point to any two parallel lines. If we take railway track, two lines are parallel. Is there any common point to the railway track? That means two parallel lines. There is no common point to the parallel line. So it is an empty set. Okay. Set of even prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so and so. In that 2 is the even prime. So there is one element. It is not empty set. Second one, state whether the following sets are finite or infinite. First one, the set of months in a year. What are the months in a year? The January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 12 months. So it is a finite 12 elements. So it is a first one finite set. Second one 1, 2, 3, 4, so on so up to 100. There are countable. How many elements are there? 100 countable. So it is a finite set. The set of prime numbers smaller than 99. So from 1 to 99 we can write prime numbers, those are countable. So it is a finite set. Fourth one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. How many alphabets are there? 26. So it is countable. So it is a finite set. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So we can draw many more lines, infinite number of lines parallel to x-axis. So it is an infinite set. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We can write many more. So it is an infinite set. Last one, the set of circles passing through the point origin. So we can draw many circles passes through the origin. So it is infinite set.